Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich history and vibrant culture of Tomsk, a hidden gem in Siberia, Russia. Join me as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about this charming city. 1. Historical significance. Founded in 1604, Tomsk is one of the oldest cities in Siberia. Its rich history is reflected in its well-preserved wooden architecture, historic landmarks, and cultural heritage sites. 2. University City. Tomsk is often referred to as the Siberian Athens, due to its status as an educational and cultural hub. The city is home to several prestigious universities, including Tomsk State University, attracting students from across Russia and around the world. 3. Wooden architecture. One of the unique features of Tomsk is its abundance of wooden architecture. The city boasts over 2,000 historic wooden buildings. They are beautifully adorned with intricate carvings and colorful facades, providing a glimpse into its architectural past. 4. Innovation Hub. Tomsk has earned a reputation as an innovation hub in Siberia, with a thriving startup ecosystem and research institutes. The city is at the forefront of technological advancements in fields such as biotechnology, IT, and nanotechnology. 5. Cultural diversity. Tomsk is known for its vibrant cultural scene, characterized by a mix of Russian, Siberian, and indigenous cultures. The city hosts numerous festivals, concerts, and cultural events throughout the year, celebrating its diverse heritage. 6. Tomsk State University. Established in 1878, Tomsk State University is one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Russia. It is renowned for its strong academic programs, innovative research, and contributions to scientific and cultural advancement. 7. City of Scientists. Tomsk has a long-standing tradition of scientific excellence, with many renowned scientists and researchers hailing from the city. It continues to attract top talent all over the world in various scientific disciplines, further cementing its status as a city of knowledge. 8. Siberian nature. Surrounded by pristine Siberian wilderness, Tomsk offers plenty of opportunities for outdoor adventures. From hiking in the nearby forests to exploring the tranquil rivers and lakes, nature lovers will find much to explore and enjoy in and around the city. 9. Cultural landmarks. Tomsk is home to several cultural landmarks, including the Tomsk Drama Theater, Tomsk Regional Museum, and the iconic wooden Tomskaya P.E.C.H.S Museum. These institutions showcase the city's rich history, art, and culture. 10. City of Youth. With its vibrant student population and dynamic energy, Tomsk is often referred to as the City of Youth. The city's youthful spirit is evident in its lively cafes, art galleries, and nightlife, making it an exciting place to live and visit. And there you have it, 10 interesting facts about Tomsk City. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, cultural diversity, or scientific achievements. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy exploring.